Is this the end of the boring mid-ranger? Today we're looking at the Oppo K15 Pro Plus. It's got an 8,000 mAh battery, a built-in cooling fan, and a display that hits 165 Hz. On paper, it looks like a gaming phone, but it's priced like a daily driver. Is there a catch? Let's find out. The K15 Pro Plus feels substantial. At over 210 grams, you definitely notice it in your pocket. But that's the price you pay for the massive battery. The design is industrial cyberpunk. It's flat, bold, and features a visible ventilation cutout for the internal fan. One of my favorite additions? The Linksy button. It's a customizable physical button you can map for gaming shortcuts or just use as a camera shutter. Plus, it's got an IP69 rating, which is insane for this price point. Basically, it's as dust and water resistant as a phone can get. The screen is a 6.78-inch 1.5K OLED panel, but the headline here is the 165 Hz refresh rate. In supported games like Honor of Kings, it is buttery smooth. For everything else, it scales down to save power. Brightness hits 1,800 nits peak. It's not the brightest on the market, but the outdoor mode does a great job of keeping it legible under direct sunlight. Also, the 4-unit coaxial speaker system is surprisingly loud, one of the best stereo setups in the mid-range segment. Under the hood, we've got the MediaTek Dimensity 9500s. This chip is a 3nm beast that sits just a hair below the absolute flagship tier, but specs are only half the story. The swift cooling engine is the real star. You can actually hear the fan kick in during intense sessions. In our testing, the phone stayed 4 to 5 degrees cooler than the competition during an hour of heavy gaming. It prevents that annoying thermal throttling that usually kills your frame rates mid-match. Let's talk about the 8,000 mAh battery. This isn't a one-day phone. It's a 2 to 3 day phone for most people. Even with heavy gaming, we struggled to kill it in a single day. When you do run low, the 100-watt charging gets you back to full in about 50 minutes. It also supports bypass charging, meaning you can play while plugged in without the power going through the battery. This keeps the heat down and saves your battery health over time. Cameras are usually where gaming-focused phones compromise. The K15 Pro Plus uses the Sony IMX890 50-megapixel sensor with OIS. It's a solid, reliable primary lens. Daytime shots have great dynamic range and that classic Oppo color science. The 8-megapixel ultra-wide is just okay, and there's no dedicated telephoto. It's a performance-first phone, but for social media and casual memories, the main sensor does a heavy lifting job. It runs ColorOS 16 on top of Android 16. It's clean, fast, and packed with AI features like AI Eraser 2.0 and AI Summary. Oppo is also promising 4 years of OS updates, which gives this tank of a phone some serious longevity. So, the verdict? The Oppo K15 Pro Plus is a specialized beast. If you value battery life and gaming performance above all else, this is unbeatable for the price. If you want a slim, photography-focused flagship, look at the Reno or Find series. But if you want a phone that never dies and never overheats, this is the one. Thanks for watching, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.